Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to create a new group in SharePoint in just a few quick steps. Start by clicking the Settings gear icon in the top right corner of your SharePoint site. A drop-down menu will appear with various site options. From that menu, select Site Permissions. You'll see the Permissions page load, showing your existing groups. Once you're on the Permissions page, click Advanced Permissions Settings. This opens a new page with the full Permissions Management interface. You'll see a ribbon at the top. In that ribbon, look for the Permissions tab and click the Create Group button. The Create Group page will open with multiple form fields. At the top of the page, you'll see two text boxes, one labeled Name and one labeled About Me. Type a descriptive name for your new group in the Name field, then add a brief description in the About Me field. As you type, you'll see a note warning not to use special characters like quotation marks, slashes, or brackets. Below those fields, find the owner box and enter the name or email of the person who'll manage this group. Only a single owner can be specified here. Next, scroll down to the Group Settings section. Here you'll see options to select who can view and edit the group membership. Choose whether you want everyone to see the membership or just group members. Below that is the Membership Requests section. This is where you configure settings for join and leave requests. You can set it to auto-approve or require manual approval, and specify an email address where requests should be sent. This part is optional. Keep scrolling to the Give Group Permissions to this site section. You'll see checkboxes for different permission levels: full control, design, edit, contribute, and read. Select the permission level that fits what this group needs to do. You can tick multiple boxes if needed. The group will receive the combined permissions of all the levels you select. Once you've configured everything, click the Create button at the bottom of the page. The page will redirect back to the permissions list, and your newly created group will appear in the navigation pane. After the group is created, you can add members anytime by clicking on the group name from the permissions page and using the New or Add Members option. The group saves with all the settings you configured, so you can start assigning it to lists, libraries, or specific content right away. And there we go, new SharePoint group created. Thanks for watching. See you next time.